Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Grammarly login problems. So guys, if you forget your email or password in your Grammarly account, so click on can't sign in. Enter your email and we will send you instruction on how to reset. So if you forget password, so enter your email. And if you forget your email, so you can try these options. Search every email account you use for the word Grammarly to find any emails we sent you. You can also try login in with any and all email addresses or passwords you may have used to create an account or that you regularly use elsewhere. Enter all email address you use into our password reset form. You must be logged out. If an account exists, you will receive an email with further details. If you still can't locate your Grammarly login details, so you need to create contact support and provide the following information like last 4 digits of the credit card number you used for Grammarly, card network type like Visa, the charge date, the charge amount, your PayPal email address if you paid with PayPal. So guys, this is the possible way to recover your email address in Grammarly account. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.